What's up YouTube? As you might have seen on Instagram, I just picked up this old second-hand workbench from my dad's place, and so it's basically just a carcass, and I'm going to be recladding it, making it look pretty nice, but keeping it pretty low-key so that basically whenever I put a project on it in the videos, hopefully it'll turn up nicer because the workbench won't stand out too much, it'll just blend. So I'm going to use some black marine grade plywood that I have that should look pretty nice, smooth, easy to deal with. And so yeah, have to do a few bits and pieces, add a section where I can put my vise, probably have to add a bit of timber for that. Going to put some plywood on the lower level, just leave that as it is for now, and just get this sort of roughly working so that then later on down the line I can put some shelving in and do a lot more to it. But for now it'll get it functional and usable, which is really good for my shed, because as you'll probably know, I've been using a fold up table that's shitty. So it'd be really nice to get something, you know, good and solid. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so it's basically done now. Pretty happy with how it's looking. Could definitely do a few more bits and pieces. Could do painting a few of the bits where you can see the ply, but that's okay. Pretty happy with how it looks. It's rough and functional, but that's what I wanted. Didn't want the craziest thing in the world. I just wanted something that would look half decent and I could use and give me plenty of space in the middle here and plenty of space underneath. So underneath is going to be a whole nother thing. Not sure when I'll get to that because I've got a lot of other projects that I need to get to, but it works for now. And so yeah, really happy with how it's looking. Yeah, so if you want to hit like, that'd be sick. If you want to hit subscribe, that'd be awesome. Peace.